All right, so now we'll put the finished walls on. So it depends on like if you have like if you're going to paint the whole wall one color or if it's a special wall, then um, we may want to approach it differently. So let's talk about like let's say you had something like a wall assembly. So I had that turf torrent wall, which was if we take a look at that, which was a little bit like this. So it's really more of sort of a thing that goes on the outs, on the outside of the wall, and it has resilient channel behind it, right? And so if we take a look at that in the Revit file, if I go to my architecture wall architectural, and I go to the pull down, I have the wall finish, right? And so if I take a look at that, then edit the type and edit the structure just to see what it is. It's the wall turf torrent 1 inch. And then let's see if I've got another one. I think I probably do. Here's a 1.2 wall. And let's take a look at that one and edit type and edit that guy. So you can see on this one, I actually have a 1 inch structure behind it. I could probably put, instead of wall white in there, I could put metal furring, right, instead. And so I have those two. So that's the structure that holds the turf torrent on the wall. So you should have that. If you have something that has some thickness, you can actually just use it to skin your existing wall. So if I click OK here and click OK, I can now come in and it's going to draw using the wall center line, but I really wanted to use the, let's use the finished face interior, right? And the base constraint is level 2 and it's going to go up to level 3. You can control this or adjust it afterwards, right? If you knew that you wanted it to be a certain height, you could do that, but we'll just leave it as it is. And then if I come in and pick kind of the edge of this wall, I can go along, and I don't really want it to go into the closet, right? If it was behind the bed. So you can place that there. And then if you had it on this wall as well, right? If it goes on the wrong side, you just hit the space bar and you can come and draw it, as a feature wall on both of those sides, and you can always adjust it. Okay. So that would be a way to go in and put those guys in. Now, once you get them in, you can start to look at them like in section. So for example, if I take a look at this guy, right, and I'm looking, let's go and see if I can see it here with the textures on it. It's not showing up, probably because it's reversed. So I'm going to go back to my level 2. And here's the wall that I'm looking at, right? Like the section is looking at that wall. And so I'm just going to come in and set the location line to wall center line and flip that, right? And then if I go back to my section, this guy, and hit escape a couple of, there it is. And so if I go to, so sometimes, I don't know, put it in backwards, whoops. If I go to hidden line, you can see it has that pattern on it. But if I go back to textures, you can really see it. And so you could pick it, and it's going all the way up to the top of the level 3. So let's say you wanted to align it with the top of this guy right here, right? So where that is, you could, I would just pull it down, grab that little thing and pull it down, and then use the align command to align to the face of that, right? So that wall exposes the brick, right? And maybe it should come up off the ground as well. So right now the unconnected height is 8 feet. And I know this thing comes in 2'6", I think, so 30-inch increments. So that would be 5, you know. Um, so if we do the base offset at 1'6", right? Then that's going to give us 6'6". So we would either need to do 6 inches, right? Because 7'6" would give us 30, 30, and 30, right? Would that be 9 inches? 7'6", it would. So, so it would be this guy, or it would be, I think, 3 feet, right? So you could have like a band of it. So anyway, just think about how you want your wall finish to go on there. And again, you know, you could shorten it by going into plan and pulling it in different places. So that's that guy. If you had something like that, and then I'll do like a finish. If you wanted to do a finish on there, like a wallpaper.